All right, we're back 24 hours with Tavar, man. The wind has picked up significantly. So it's still 100 degrees out here, but as you can see by our windometer, this tree, the wind's picked up a little bit. I say that's a 25-mile-an-hour wind right there. 15 to 25, because it's not 10. And it's been gusty since I've been out here, so, and it's a hot breeze, so it's not really cooling anything down. Not saying it's making it hotter, but it's not a cool breeze, which I wish it was. I'm gonna go back to this spot over here. The sun is shining down on us. That thing is beaming. That's why I'm playing the shade right now. So I'll post up right here. And we want to do an outfit check. Polo shoes, polo socks, NBA shorts, polo t-shirt. As you can see. But just a quick weather check. The wind has picked up severely. So it's definitely fire season around this camp. Still out in Rio Linda. We'll be returning home in about 10 days. So we'll see how it goes. You can just hear the anxiety in my voice every time I say we're going to return back to Sacramento. I'm going to have to find my own business to get into, which should be this vlog and working. Other than that, I'm going to be playing my video game and taking my meds. So that's what we're in store for. That's what we got to look forward to. I always like to see if there's a plane in the sky. Look how beautiful that sky is. Not to say my favorite color is blue. My favorite color is actually black and gray and green, the color of the Eagles, because I'm an Eagles fan. Let's see if we can get that plane. Yeah, I like to see planes on here. I like planes. I like the sunset. I like the sky. And I like sunrises. So hopefully when we get back to work, we'll start to see a lot more sunrises. Maybe less sunsets, more sunrises. But yeah, that's what we got in store for when we get back to work, is catching that sunrise. But I just wanted to come back to you guys with a quick wind check, because everything's withering right now, blowing in the wind. So I'm going to let you guys go. Make sure you keep God first. Say a little prayer. Thank you, Lord, putting me here. Don't know my purpose, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. See you guys on the next one. Just enjoy the blue sky.